Live? Cool. Awesome. Welcome back, everyone. Happy Thursday, August 6th, 2020. It's been a week. Hopefully, you all had a great week and weekend.
Can we just give it a second? Like people are rolling in. I'm just making
No,
sure
it's okay. I
everyone's.
mean, this is for everyone. So, um, got some announcements, and hopefully, I'll keep them after the market update. But so today, U.S. equities were stronger on Thursday. The S&P was up about 60 basis points to about 33.49. Better jobless claims came out today, which kind of helped the sentiment in the equity markets. Um, Although kind of U.S. 10-year Treasury yields fell again, not a ton, but down about 1 basis point. Gold was up a bit, and oil was kind of down. Um, I think some big headlines from the week. We still don't really have any breakthroughs on the U.S. stimulus talks. Again, a lot the $600 unemployment benefits kind of up for expiration, and Congress is kind of in the heat of discussion to try to either extend it or adjust it or kind of think through what the stimulus looks like going forward. Um, let's see. Again, I talked a little bit about U.S. initial claims, jobless claims. It improved significantly last week, and it's the best it's been since mid-March. And all that to say, I think the Bank of England today delivered basically signaling that a no on negative interest rates. I think that was something that a lot of us already expected. Um, and the Fed's Kaplan expressed skepticism for curve control in a speech overnight, which is kind of a change of tone for him. So that's kind of my market update. The market is still kind of creeping back to strength. Another side note, I would say, yeah. Hey, Joy, YouTube is now running. They changed up the YouTube studio on us, so we had to figure out in real time how to figure that out. But it's up and running. If you guys want to enter the giveaways, they're all on YouTube. But I am excited to announce that tonight's episode and going forward is brought to you by Fundrise, which is an amazing company that I believe is one of the best ways for almost all of us to invest in real estate. You all know that me and some friends invest in, around 15 rental properties here in Nashville, Tennessee. It's really high returns, but a lot of work, a lot of my time, a lot of energy dealing with tenants. That's kind of on the very, very private end of real estate. And then a lot of you that have been with me know that I'm not a big fan of public REITs, so real estate investment trusts. And the reason for that is if you have a good institutional REIT that invests in either, usually, right, like institutional quality real estate, yes, the rent is institutional quality and the portfolios are institutional quality. But since they're publicly traded and so large, the cash flows actually trade on a very low kind of NOI yield, or they basically trade almost like bonds in the public market if they're strong. So your upside potential and your kind of dividend potential is like pretty low. So Fundrise is actually a really great medium for almost, I would say the vast majority of kind of qualified investors. And it's because, right, there's private real estate that offers you better returns. Fundrise has an investment team that are all kind of their current Wall Street real estate guys and women over there, kind of focused on deploying the capital that they have, and you don't have to manage the property. So it's a really great way. Their minimum investment size is only $500 too. So it's a great way if you're interested. I did a TikTok on them a long time ago. And it's a great way to invest in institutional quality kind of real estate private equity without having to manage them yourself. So thanks to them. They're an amazing company, and I've been following them, and I've actually used them in the past. I've been following them since they first started, and they've had their portal has gotten a lot better over time. So definitely check them out. A couple live giveaway announcements. So obviously, those of you that tune in every Thursday know that I give out $30. I Venmo or PayPal. Guys, is the YouTube stream still off? I think it's on. It's all fixed. So go to YouTube.
But I need to.
YouTube Studio changed a bunch of stuff. There was one that we made, and then we had to make another one. So the one is not real, and then the one that's on right now is
Okay.
real.
Yeah. So if you guys want to just check again on the YouTube stream, it's up. I'm looking at it right now. So cool.
I also want to fix something on this current one.
Okay.
With the bit rate. It's going to take me 5 seconds.
Okay. We're gonna take a pause.
The bit rate's wrong.
Thanks, Carter. I appreciate it. Rush Street. Hey, I did a YouTube video on Rush Street. So if you're interested in Rush Street, go to my YouTube channel. I did a full YouTube video for sure.
We're moment. We're getting back up. We're back up. Cool.
And
That's the video bit rate.
and man.guy, I will say, hey, vegan Melanie, hello. Pay off student loans during COVID or invest. Personally, I mean that's gonna be up to you. I think the pure economic finance person would say if your student loans are, 3% interest rate, then you should probably keep those out there and invest the rest in the stock market or investment real estate. But I think if it's anywhere like 4 or 5% plus interest rate, I generally kind of lean towards the Dave Ramsey kind of style where you just pay it off, right? Or you can kind of do a little bit of both. But anyway, cool. Anyway, I got a little distracted. Nia's getting some technical stuff worked out. We're also in between spots. This is still my basement. We actually got a really small little place that we can dedicate some time to, but the internet, like, it's going to take 20 days for Comcast Xfinity to install the internet, so it's kind of crazy. But anyway, I don't remember what I was talking about. Okay, guys, I know I'm doing a lot of giveaways, and I really rushed the giveaways because I thought TikTok was going away. But basically, let's see. I almost have too many to give. So it's a little bit too late to enter our $1,000 giveaway for the Morning Sense email list, but we're gonna keep the email list giveaways going. But we're basically gonna pick a $1,000 winner on our email list, Morning Sense, which everything's linked through bio, right, and link in the description. We are giving away $1,500 for the best, highest voted stock pitch on the ROIC portal at acouplecents.com. So, so that's, but again, some people have stock pitches that they know how to write up and they know how to analyze stocks. But if you don't know how to do that, we're also giving 2 people who join our ROI Connect group at acouplecents.com, 2 winners, the choice of an iPad Pro or a Surface Pro 7 or $800 in Microsoft stock or $800 in Apple stock. So that's kind of cool. And all you got to do is go vote for your favorite stock pitch. You don't even need to kind of know what the stock pitch is. You don't need to know how to do a stock pitch. So that's cool. That's awesome. And then I do every time I go live, guys. Every time I go live, I give out 2 $30 winners. So if you want to go enter, you know where to go. Rafflecopter in the link in the description of my YouTube live stream. And and then so kind of for Fundrise, I am doing this because I really love their platform. I know a lot of people watch these lives after the fact and they can't tune in live. So if you're watching the live after the fact over the next week, we'll leave a link in the description for a weekly keyword giveaway. So usually I'll try to say the keyword about 10 to 15 minutes into the live, so you can listen for the weekly keyword. And this week's keyword is real estate. So if you just enter the weekly raffle and enter the keyword real estate, you'll be entered for $100 every week. So that's cool. I know I have a lot of giveaways. These big ones will run out and then we'll get back to a good rhythm. So yeah, I got a little freaked out because they were gonna ban TikTok, and I thought, they might still. So that's cool. Keyword is real estate. If you got the link is all in the YouTube. Go to YouTube live stream. I was also thinking it's a little bit kind of weird pointing at 2 cameras. So over time, I might just focus on YouTube and then do a separate casual live on TikTok. But again, all my giveaways, you have to go to my YouTube live stream. So a couple cents.
Did you explain the keyword raffle?
Yes, I did. I just did that. Cool. Okay, people trickling in. Yeah, everyone, go to my YouTube live stream. There's a million giveaways over there. Too many giveaways for me to even keep my head around. So anyway, cool. So I gave my little market update.